Welcome to H. Greg Lux. Here we have a 2018 Porsche 718 BOXSTER GTS. This car came with a clean CARFAX. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. I do not see any scratches at all. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any paint chips or any dents or scratches. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Move on to the driver door. This door is in excellent condition. Let's have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect. There are no dents, no scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the car. Okay, the trunk looks excellent. I'm not seeing any scratches on there, and the back bumper is spotless as well. So the driver's side and back, everything is spotless, no scratches, no dents, nowhere on them at all. Let's have a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. Everything here looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Now the passenger door. Do not see a scratch on here at all. And both back of the mirrors are perfect as well, and the last fender looks excellent. Also, the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. We're going to start off with the driver's seat. Perfect. Let's move on to the door panel. I'm not seeing anything wrong here at all. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Perfect. Now let's move on to the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. I do not see any wear and tear there at all. Everything is in excellent condition. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Perfect. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. Now the front trunk. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.